Hey, pretty girl. Are you helping Daddy eat? Or is
Yeah.
Daddy helping you eat?
Ready? You want it? You want it? There you go.
Good job. Oh, sorry.
There you go. Put it in your mouth. All of it. There you go.
Good job.
Good job. Good job.
Guess
There
she
you
likes the
go.
breast milk better.
Yeah, I'd say so. Good girl. Now give it back. There you go. Want some more?